What's up everybody, Tom the Moto God here. We are a new channel about motorcycles. We'll be riding, racing, fixing, all sorts of different things. We'll have projects going along, as well as some outdoor adventures in the Jeep, camping, kayaks, lots of things to come. So glad you're here, glad you found my channel, and if you like what you see, subscribe, drop a like. Alright guys, so our first project is going to be this. It's a Honda CR250. It's a year 2000. I've had this bike since it was brand new. I raced it for about 3-4 years. Fast bike, but it's been neglected. It has been sitting, not running for about 13 years. So we got a lot of stuff in store for it. We're going to get to work on it, and hopefully you guys follow along. Alright, so let's get to it. Start pulling plastic off and breaking it down. We're going to have to redo all the, grease all the bearings and check all the seals and make sure everything's still working good. So let's get to it. Okay, so we got all the plastic off. Side panels, fenders, all that stuff going in the garbage. Whew. Look at how bad that air filter is. That thing is roached. Alright, so we're going to take the front tire off, front forks, and then we'll get the rear tire off. Okay, the front end is disconnected, or is disassembled, I should say. So all we got to do is work on the back end of this, get the back tire off, and go from there. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today. So if you like the video, drop me a like. If you think you want to subscribe, subscribe, and we'll see you later.